Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I am back with the part 3 of the video Healthcare Technology and Medical Innovations. It is a very useful and informative video for all the beginners to learn. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related informative topics, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new video notifications to come. Now let's start the video. Today's video we're gonna discuss evolution of medical innovation. Three milestone medical innovations are vaccine, medical device and pharmaceuticals. From Edward Jenner to Gavi, up to 20% of deaths in Europe were due to smallpox in 19th century. The last case of smallpox occurred in 1977. 2.5 million deaths each year are prevented. Between 80 to 90% of the infants receive DPT vaccine. Medical devices, from adhesive plasters to MRI. 1844, Francis Rint first recorded subcutaneous injections. In 1956, plastic diagnosable syringes patented. 1.3 million years deaths due to unsafe injections. Autodestructive syringes, parafilled syringes. The future of healthcare innovations. Vaccines to prevent public healthcare epidemics. Vaccines to prevent public healthcare epidemics such as Ebola and meningococcal B gets fast track for approval so patients can receive them earlier. Genomic directed clinical trial. Genetic profiling of patients better matches them to clinical trials, which increases their chances of benefiting from research studies. Gene editing using CRISPR. CRISPR is a therapy in which the human genome is altered in an effort to eliminate genetic-based diseases. Water purification systems for prevention of infectious diseases. A self-sustainable processor turns solid waste and severe sludge into safe drinking water for hundreds of thousands of people. Call-free fetal DNA testing. A non-invasive diagnostic test has tenfold better chance of diagnosing Down syndrome in a fetus. A test that detects changes in the structure of certain blood protein can diagnose many types of cancers with high accuracy. Cancer screening via protein bookmark analysis. Naturally controlled artificial limbs. Sensors pick up neural cords sent by brain and send them to computers to be deployed and used to operate prosthetic limbs. First ever treatment for HSTD. A drug restores sexual desire in paramsol women who have no medical based explanation for their loss of libido. Frictionless remote monitors. Devices that allow healthcare providers to monitor patients from efforts such as needle-free glucose monitoring, which uses sensors on the skin to collect information on glucose levels. Neurovascular stent retriever. A new device used alongside standard TPA treatment for stroke, removes clots and results in speedier recovery for patients and a better chance for independence. First human head transplantation. Head transplantation is considered to be an extraordinary and impossible surgical procedure. This innovation surgery promises a life-saving procedure to individuals who suffer from a terminal diseases but whose head and brain are healthy. In 2017, Ryan performed successfully a diplomatic using a human cadaver. Two surgical teams practiced and worked seamlessly in order to conduct the procedure. Ethics aside, the brain is a delicate organ and the spinal cord, which connects to the brain, does not recover well after being cut. The longest lived have made it only a few months. Through a few researches have made headline by calming head transplantation in human are just round the corner. The hurdles are massive. Robotic nurse assistant. There are nurses that are injured every year from having to move or left patient in bed or after an emergency from a fall. The problem is very common and many of times there is not someone around that is strong enough to lift a patient immediately after one of these occurrences. There are many various forms of full robots such as Reba robot for interactive body assistance developed by Riken and Tokia Rubber Industries and assisted hardware such as HAL Hybrid Passive Limb robot suits delivered by Cyberdell. Reba is the first robot that can lift up or set down a real human from a to be wheelchair. Reba does not use its very strong human-like arms and by novel tackling equipment method using high accuracy testicle centers. Reba was developed by integrating Riken's control sensor and information processing and TRI's material and structural design technologies. A company by the name of HAL is a robotic device that allows a care worker to lift a patient with more stability and strength and help prevent injuries to our nurses. So guys, that's the end of my today's video. I hope you people enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching.